Hey everybody, in this video we'll talk about translating the graph of a logarithmic function. So let's say we're given the graph y equals ln of x, or natural log of x, translated to become the graph of y equals natural log of x minus 2 and then plus 1. So first let's go back to our translations and what they mean. This minus 2, what is that going to do to the entire graph? It's going to make it shift to the right 2 units. So all of our x values are moving to the right 2. And then what is this 1 going to do? It's going to shift it up 1 unit. So all of our y values are shifting up 1 unit. So if we take this point 1, 0, I need to shift it to the right 2 units and then up 1 unit. I'm thinking I might land on that 0.31. But let's do this a different way where I actually take my 0.10, the x direction I'm moving to the right 2, and that's like adding 2, and then the y direction I'm moving up 1, which is like adding 1. So I end up on the 0.31. Okay, I was correct there. Now, for the next point, let's take the 0.31 and say, hey, let's move that to the right 2 and up 1. I should land on 5, 2. Let's do it graphically. To the right 2 and up 1, that's the point 5, 2. Lets me do it. Okay. So literally what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick up this graph and I'm going to click it and I'm going to move over to the right 2 and up 1. And then I will be able to fill in my function like this. Now let's go ahead and draw those points back in. So up over 2 and up 1. There's this point. To the right 2 and up 1. It doesn't like that point. And there I land on the correct graph. So I went from the blue graph to the red graph. And that's how you translate logarithmic functions.